मैम हियर मैम हियर ऑन
They want media buys, so we'll do that first, or you want the voting?
हाँ चलो तब तक हम लोग कैमरा अंदर ट्रॉफी विजी ट्रॉफी हाँ और आले स्ट्रेट
आले जी राइट में आले मैम
आले स्ट्रेट
आले लेफ्ट आले लेफ्ट आले लेफ्ट में आले लेफ्ट आलिया लेफ्ट गयो आलिया सेंटर आलिया
शिल्पा जी साथ में दिया साथ में
आईफा न्यूयॉर्क में होगा और मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि क्या है आईफा एक ऐसा अवार्ड फंक्शन है जो सिर्फ फिल्म एक्टर्स को और उनके काम को सेलिब्रेट नहीं करता, एक मौका भी देता है एक्टरों को कि इंडिया से बाहर जाके अपने हॉलिडे को भी सेलिब्रेट करें. तो आई रियली थिंक आंद्रे एंड द एंटायर विजक्राफ्ट टीम मेक्स इट पॉसिबल फॉर अस टू एक्चुअली गेट अ ब्रेक and have fun with the fraternity.
So, which was your favorite movie in 2016 and 17?
You know, honestly, 16-17 has really had some really amazing films, and Udta Punjab, Dear Zindagi, Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. I really have Pink, so some really great work. Dangal, which is not in the nominations, I heard, but yeah. But I really think 2016 and 17 has seen some great work. Yeah.
The actors you're rooting for?
I can't say that. I can't say that. If I'm going and voting, I can't tell you whether it's Congress or BJP or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Can't. You have to wait and watch.
So, what are you looking forward to? Any performances? Like, you are there certainly.
No, you know what? I have performed at IFA. And I have not just performed on stage, I've also performed yoga. So IFA is one of those award functions that has seen a transition and helped me with that transition as well. So Madrid mein I actually took an entire yoga class. We did an event and it was hugely successful. And I'm really looking forward because Wizcraft is really like family. And they've been with me in my journey. And I've seen IFA grow from strength to strength, and it's really amazing.
Thank you.
Okay?
Thank you.
आप क्या?
समर सीजन स्टार्ट हो चुका है और आप क्या टिप्स देना चाहेंगी, क्या कहना चाहेंगी गर्मी के मौसम?
उसके लिए समर टिप्स के लिए जाइए theshilpashetty.com पे जहाँ पे मैं बहुत सारे टिप्स दे रही हूँ. कैसे खाना खाना चाहिए, कौन सा लेमनेड पीना चाहिए, कैसे बनाना चाहिए उस लेमनेड को, और कैसे अपने आप को फिट भी रखना चाहिए. बाय बाय. Oh, and happy Easter, guys.
आई थिंक ये सीक्रेट बैलेट है ना, वो बता नहीं सकते. सॉरी, मैं बता नहीं सकती, पर मैंने अच्छा वोटिंग किया आई थिंक. एक्चुअली इट्स माई फर्स्ट टाइम एट आईफा, सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड क्योंकि अभी ऑलमोस्ट 5 साल हो गए मुझे इंडस्ट्री में आए हुए, एंड आई एम नॉट बिन टू आईफा येट. और एक्चुअली मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि द ईयर आई एम गोइंग हम लोग न्यूयॉर्क जा रहे हैं, तो ये तो और द वेट हैज बिन फ्रूटफुल. शॉपिंग प्लान्स तो मतलब हमेशा ही बने रहेंगे, नो मैटर वेयर आई एम व्हाट आई एम डूइंग. बट आई थिंक बहुत काम होगा तो ज्यादा टाइम शायद ना मिले, बट आई मीन यू आर देयर तो डेफिनेटली टाइम बनाना पड़ेगा. I am performing, yes. I just need to know if I can say it. Yeah, I am performing.
So will it be more your numbers only or some other?
I have not decided yet, but I get little bored performing to my own songs constantly. So I'll try and do something different, maybe a mix of my songs and some other songs. Let's see.
किसी ने पूछा है, सबने उड़ता पंजाब को काफी प्रेज किया है, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. उड़ता पंजाब को प्रेज किया है तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. ऑब्वियसली मैं खुद प्रेज नहीं करूँगी, मैं बस थैंक यू कहूँगी.
एक ऐसे ट्रिप में जाना जहाँ पे आपके काम को सराहा जा रहा है, सारे अवार्ड्स में यू आर देयर, एंड तो कहते हैं ना वर्क कम प्लेजर. ये है
एक्चुअली जब आप अपने वर्क से काम से इतना प्यार करते हो, इट डजंट एवर फील लाइक वर्क. सो फॉर मी इट्स ऑलवेज अ प्लेजर टू बी वर्किंग वेयरएवर आई एम वर्किंग.
Does it bring back fond memories of the Dream Team tour?
Actually, I've not thought about it, but yeah, I think because we did go to New York, and I mean, we went to New Jersey and we were in New York and all that. But I think IFA is going to be a full new experience altogether. And I've always heard such lovely stories of IFA because everybody goes there together. Everybody's eating and drinking and chilling and, relaxing together and performing and being creative. And I think it's a great space to get together and at the same time celebrate the Indian film industry and the movies that we stand for and that we make. So I think it's good, and I'm really glad that it's my first time. So first time is always special.
You are a prodigy in the correct meaning of it, because in your second year you had won the award for Highway, the Critics Award if I'm not wrong, and this year you won all the awards. Do you have a sense of fulfillment today when in a span of 4 years you've achieved what most of your contemporaries can't achieve?
No, I don't think I feel fulfilled at all. It's very boring, to feel fulfilled at any point. So there's no fulfillment, but there's definitely a lot of gratitude for the opportunities that I've gotten.
और कौन से एक्टर को ये आईफा का अवार्ड जीतते हुए देखना चाहेंगे आप, मेल फीमेल?
Eventually घूम फिर के वापस अवार्ड की क्वेश्चन पे आ गए ना. May the best man win.
A lot was said when a film like Airlift was missed out on a particular awards ka nomination list. This time when at the national awards, when a film like Urta Punjab didn't get the recognition it deserved, did it feel bad? I'm not talking about you not getting an award, obviously you said that there are no insecurities. But when a film like Urta Punjab doesn't get the necessary recognition at a platform like national awards, does it
No, yeah, because honestly, at the end of the day, when the film released, it got that recognition and appreciation from the people. So I think that's a big example of the fact that it was accepted. And it's not like, of course, national awards are very, very prestigious, but that doesn't take away from whatever it did achieve. And it's not like, "Arey, hame kyun jitaya nahi?" Like, we didn't ever make a film for that purpose. So that's okay. If you're not, an award is when you're being rewarded for your efforts. And I'm sure all the people who have won have put in that effort, so they've been rewarded for it. So you shouldn't ever feel spiteful for somebody else's win. I think that's the wrong way of looking at it.
All right, thank you. Guys, come for the photo.
कहाँ?
Ahead, a little ahead.
फोटो मतलब कैमरा हो.
Camera.
इस तरफ?
कहाँ आगे? पीछे? वायर के साथ मैं गिर जाऊंगी. ठीक है? Say hi. Shake my hand. Nice. What's your name? Huh?
Guys, please.
Yes, guys.